Raugli. How do you even say that?
Thoroughly.
Wait, how did you do that?
Struggling with pronunciation? You are not alone. Welcome to Mastering English Pronunciations, Tips and Tricks. Tip 1. Mouth and lip exercises. Pronunciation is all about how you move your mouth. Mirror exercises can be a game changer. Watch yourself speak, focus on the shape of your mouth and lips, and practice. Tip 2. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers, whether in movies, podcasts, or songs. Try to mimic their pronunciation. It's not just about listening, it's about repeating and practicing. So some words that often trip people up are, it's not pronounced as comfortable, but more like comfortable. Often mispronounced as hierarchy, but it should be pronounced as hierarchy. Many people mistakenly pronounce it as epitome. The correct pronunciation is epitome. Now back to tips. Tip 3. Use technology. There are great apps and tools out there. Use speech recognition software to check your pronunciation and get instant feedback. It's like having a tutor in your pocket. Tip 4. Record yourself. You may not notice your pronunciation mistakes until you hear yourself. Record your voice, play it back, and analyze. It's a powerful technique to improve. Remember, mastering pronunciation takes time and practice. Be patient and consistent, and if you need personalized help, check out Clappingo's one-on-one sessions with expert tutors. We can guide you on this exciting journey of mastering English pronunciation. For more tips and insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy learning and see you next time.